It's a fact that hot rodders like to add stuff to their projects, and most of that stuff needs power to run. A lot of power. Electric steps, fuel pumps, fans, air conditioning, heaters, off-road lights, the list goes on. And all of these require a relay to wire them up properly. But instead of going down to your local auto parts store and buying a bunch of generic relays and trying to wire them in, you need to check out these multiple channel relay modules from MSD. This allows you to mount multiple relays in one compact unit. Now check this out. You can see that hookup is very simple. Your main power goes in here. Then this is where your trigger wires go. Everything runs through pre-wired relays. The relays are protected by fuses, and of course your power runs out here. The mounting plate is metal, so you get a good solid mounting, and they all come with these covers to protect everything. Now those holes right there have little LED lights, so you can actually see when each circuit is operating. Of course, this has 4, that one has 2, and that one has 1. So if you want to mount multiple relays in one compact unit, you need to check out the MSD multiple channel relays.